cooking show. We're gonna make brownies with my dad. Brownies, a bowl, some eggies, whatever this is. We need this and some butter. That's it. You add the butter. Now we put the little eggie. Now we add the eggs in. And then we stir it. I'm stirring. Now we mix in the brownie mix. Have a parent help you cut this open. Now we dump in the brownie mix. Here you go. Now we stir it again. Now we put it in a greased pan. Oopsies. Have a parent put the brownies in the oven for 350 degrees. Cook it for 30 minutes and you'll have delicious brownies.